Good afternoon, everyone. We have another quiet day for HIMS and HERS shareholders. Down 35% today. Still coming down a little bit after hours on some bad news. This is probably one of the worst days for HIMS and HERS. From a peak of 64, down almost 35%. Pretty crazy. Another exciting day for HIMS and HERS shareholders. So what happened? Novo Nordisk terminated the deal. It only lasted a month. The collaboration is over. Short sellers have doubled down. Ton of downgrades. There's a lot of legal overhang happening for HIMS and HERS right now. But we already have a statement coming from Andrew that they will continue to offer access to a range of treatments, including Wegovy. Looks like they're going to keep selling it to ensure providers they could serve individual needs of patients. HIMS and HERS is not backing down from the competition. I think Big Pharma is scared. If they're continuing to bully HIMS and HERS, pretty much shows that they're desperate. This isn't the first time this has happened. For some reason, HIMS keeps getting attacked by all these news articles, but it's not reflecting in their fundamentals. The fundamentals are still doing great. To me, this looks like another buying opportunity for HIMS and HERS. Great entry point, $42 right now. We'll see what it opens at tomorrow. $9 billion valuation. I think this is a great entry point, guys. I think this is a good entry point. This has got to be the most volatile stock right now. I mean, Novo Nordisk themselves is down 10% in the past week and 5% today, so they're both hurting each other. But I think Novo's scared. So let's go ahead and go on the website. Remember, guys, HIMS and HERS isn't just a weight loss GLP-1 company. They have other products that they sell on their website that contribute to that top line. And then also this year, they are still expanding to other venues. Menopause, testosterone, which is still going to be released in 2025. And they're also releasing new innovative products. And I mean, look at all these products they sell. And they also launched that new hair growth gummy for women, saying that this is the future of healthcare. We're going to a world where feeling great is effortless, enjoyable, and empowering. Remember, guys, fundamentals are still intact. They also purchased that peptide facility. That is going to be a whole avenue that they could get into. GLP-1s are just a single peptide. There are hundreds of peptides out there. They're going to be able to help all types of diseases. And lastly, they are still expanding internationally. Let's just take a quick look at the fundamentals for the people freaking out right now. And you guys got to remember to think long term. HIMS is a company disrupting the healthcare sector. This is what happened when Uber tried to disrupt the taxi sector. They were getting attacked. When Netflix was disrupting streaming, they were getting attacked. This is the same thing except in the health sector. Don't listen to the noise. And just to remind you guys, the fundamentals are intact. Earnings per share just in the December quarter, just 6 months ago, grew 1,000% year over year. They posted 11 cents versus 0.01, 1,000% year over year. Their top line revenue for the past 4 quarters have been growing over 50% year over year. Profit margins above 75%. Free cash flow per share and cash flow from operation improvements. And on the latest net income, 49.5 million they posted versus 11.1 million. That is up 345% year over year. The fundamentals are intact. And then lastly, guys, remember they did just finish that convertible debt offering, raising $1 billion to expand internationally and do more research and development. So when we take a look at the balance sheet, quarterly, latest data, they have 322 million in cash, plus that 1 billion they just raised. HIMS isn't going anywhere. All this news is just noise, everyone. Don't freak out too much. This is a high growth company, and of course they are going to get attacked by these big pharmaceuticals. I'm going to stick with my thesis, and I remain bullish on HIMS and HERS. This is the same drop I'm seeing as what happened back in February when it dropped down to 25s. This is just another chance for you to get in. This highly disrupted company in the healthcare sector, down 35% today. Let me know what you guys think. Are you buying the dip right now, or does this thing have a little bit more room to drop? We'll make a video and check out the fundamentals for Novo Nordisk and sort of compare the two and see how they're both doing. But again, I think Novo's scared. HIMS has the upper hand. Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.